Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a thumbnail with Gemini. So it's actually pretty simple. You don't necessarily have to download anything or go into some kind of different tabs in here. You just open up a new chat like this. And also guys, in order to make your job easier, make sure to click on this create image. Okay, so now as you can see, you can just choose which style you want. So if you're creating a thumbnail, for example, for a YouTube video, make sure to make a thumbnail that will correspond to your specific style, right? So we have a monochrome, we have steampunk, melody, oil painting. So just make sure to choose the one that fits your style. So I will just choose monochrome, so black and white. And now as you can see, we have now chosen the mode for creating images precisely. So this is not going to be an output from our AI with just a text, right? So it's going to be actually creating our image. And now just type in, for example, so something like this, and then just create. And guys, also if you wish to add some kind of additional modifications into your image, something doesn't fit, maybe lighting is off or whatever the reason might be, you can just regenerate easily, right? If you don't like it, just for example, write it, change this to that, etc. So you get the idea. And after that, after the image is generated, you can of course easily download it. Let me just wait for the generation. I will show you how. So there you go. You can just go download full size, or just copy it and you can paste it instantly anywhere you wish. There you go. And yeah, pretty nice. So that's the tutorial guys for you. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe.